Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin kung anong energies for you in the next 7 days from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to. This is a timeless reading, so anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo. This reading is for you. And of course, general reading, pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Another reminder, hindi po ako magme-message sa inyo or magpo-follow sa inyo para mag-offer ng services. Mag-ingat sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, go to my website, mysticqueenph.com. Okay. Aquarius. Next 7 days for Aquarius. What's the energy? Oh, balance. So ngayon, inaayos mo na ang iyong life. Kung dati sa ibang bagay ka lang nakafocus, ngayon, you will also find time dun sa ibang mga bagay na importante rin sa'yo. For example, kung dati focus ka sa trabaho, wala kang time sa family mo, wala kang time sa sarili mo. So, syempre, pag may imbalance, merong mga magsasuffer. No? So, some of you, you will find balance in your life para ma-enjoy nyo pareho. Diba? This can also mean decision making in the next 7 days. Can be related sa relationships, connections, or like sa job or career path na tatahakin mo. You have, speaking of career, Capricorn energy, persistence. So for you, kailangan, alam mo sa sarili mo na you need to do the work para ma-achieve mo yung goals mo. Alam mo rin na medyo challenging yon para makuha mo yung pangarap mo, yung goal mo. But it's definitely going to be worth it. Okay? If you exert the effort. Kumbaga, you have to be consistent. You always have to show up para makuha mo yung resulta na gusto mo. You also have Vesta. So this is passion. Maaring meron kang burning passion. Burning desire to achieve yung iyong pangarap. Some of you will tap into your creativity na alam nyo sa sarili nyo na ito talaga yung gusto nyo. Like for example, yung iba meron silang trabaho na alam nila kasi yun yung practical, pero meron talaga silang ibang passion na gusto nilang i-pursue. So for some of you, you will pursue your passion. What you really want, what you love doing. Kasi kapag yun yung pinursu mo, mas magiging madali para sa'yo na, mas maging successful doon kasi yun yung passion mo, yun yung expertise mo eh. Yun yung abilities mo. Yun yung skill set mo. Let's see your overall energy. The Three of Cups, this is celebration. Some of you, meron kayo achievement in the next 7 days. Ito yung mga milestones, no, na siniset mo na dapat in the next 7 days makuha ko to. So, makukuha mo naman yun, no? Through the help of other people. Siyempre, you will also connect with others. Meron ding mga taong susuporta sa'yo, tutulong sa'yo. Some of you, this can also mean reunion. Meron kang mga taong makakasama na matagal mo na hindi nakikita, can be family, friends, na magkakaroon kayo ng pagsasalo-salo, no? Catching up, ganon. And then, your challenge is the Knight of Pentacles. So, some of you, maaring may challenge when it comes to your finances, lalo na kung hindi mo siya ma-invest ng maayos, no? So, kung hindi ka pa ready for that investment, wag mo munang ilabas yung pera, 'di ba? And also, kailangan mo rin na i-educate yung sarili mo dun sa mga bagay na pagkakagastusan mo, lalo na if you are investing into, let's say, crypto or sa mga bonds or any type of investments na alam mo, it will take some time bago makuha yung results, no, or mag-earn. So kung alam mo yon, no, then go for it. But kung ikaw yung tipong medyo nagmamadali, pag-isipan mo muna. And then your opportunity is the Four of Swords. This is recovery, healing. Some of you pwedeng nagkasakit recently, no? So in the next 7 days, you will be able to recover. Kailangan lang talaga magpahinga ka. Kasi syempre, kung alam mo nang na nagkakasakit ka or hindi maganda yung pakaramdam mo, tapos talagang inaabuso mo rin yung katawan mo, syempre mahirap mag-recover. So you really need to take a rest. This can also mean an opportunity to heal from a heartbreak or a relationship in the past na ngayon mas na-realize mo na you have to take care of yourself. Na tapos na yon and it's time to move on. Diba? Now, your blessing is the Emperor. So, this is finally being in control of your life na you are taking responsibility sa mga actions na gagawin mo at kung ano man yung mga goals mo, meron kang plano. Oo. So, as long as meron kang plano and you know what you're doing, blessings are coming in para sa'yo. Yung iba sa inyo, meron ditong leadership role, pwedeng isa-celebrate ka sa career path mo or sa trabaho mo. Now, your focus is the Eight of Pentacles. So, focus mo talaga ngayon, kaperahan, no? Kumita ng pera, and then also mastery. So, some of you are mastering your craft, mastering your skills. Ano man tong career path mo, field of work mo, pinagkakaabalahan mo, minamaster mo yan. Kasi gusto mo ikaw yung maging best dyan sa area na yan. Let's see. You will also be very busy, no, in the next 7 days. What else for Aquarius? Owl. Oh, diba? Owl is about wisdom. So, maaring meron kang pag-aaralan. I-improve mo yung knowledge mo, yung skill set mo. This is also about clarity. So, kung meron mang naguguluhan sa inyo sa mga sitwasyon nyo ngayon at meron kayong kailangang pagdesisyonan, so in the next 7 days, you will gain clarity. You also have wind. So, a wind is about like ideas din eh. So, maaring ikaw, meron kang mga bagong ideas and at the same time, you want to make things work for that. And wind is also about releasing the stuck energy, cleansing. So, meron kang mga, pwedeng magde-declutter ka, no? Magtatanggal ka ng mga unnecessary things sa space mo para mag-create ng mga bagong space, 'di ba? For new things. You also have elephant energy. So this is being regal. This is being majestic. I think for some of you, you will also focus on how you present yourself. Na kumbaga, this is about your confidence. Mas magiging confident ka sa sarili mo, sa kakayanan mo. Lalo na kung alam mo yung ginagawa mo. 'Di ba? So, if you know what you're doing, especially if you're mastering your craft, na ikaw yung alam mo na magaling ka dyan. So, syempre, magiging confident ka, no? Especially in your career or even, you know, pagharap sa ibang tao. Uy, rebel, Aquarius na Aquarius to ah. It's time to celebrate the fact that you don't fit in, stand on your own 2 feet. Yes. Hindi mo naman kailangang, mag-fit in sa standards ng iba. You are your own unique person. Meron kang unique path na yun yung ipopursue mo. You are also going to elevate. You get what you believe you deserve. It's time to raise your standards. That's true. You will not settle for anything less than what you deserve. Be it sa relationship or career or path na meron ka ngayon. Alam mo kung ano yung dinideserve mo. And you will get that. Okay? So this is also about improving yourself, upgrading your lifestyle. So that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. See you again.